Hi, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can use Return Dock in your warehouse for receiving and grading returns that have been received in your warehouse. When you log into the system, you have three operational modules that you can use, which are inbound, storage and outbound. And in this tutorial we're going to use the inbound module to receive and grade a return. So we're going to click on inbound, and then we're going to select the option Receive and Grade to Container. And here you can start scanning the return number or the tracking number from the shipping label. And in this case, I'm going to do that. And at this moment, you see a new screen. And when you see this screen, you already know that the return has been received. So Return Dock has already updated Return Bird to tell Return Bird that this return was received in the warehouse. The next thing you can do is scan a product that you find in your box. And you can do that by scanning the product number that is on your box. But in case there is no product barcode, you can also select the products from here, because we know which products are expected in this return. So in this case, I'm going to select the product that I expect. And the system now loads the details of these products. I can see the SKU number, the description, an image, instructions if needed. And in this screen, I can confirm that this product is in the box. And the system automatically assigns a license plate number to this product. But of course, you can also have a set of pre-printed barcode labels that you use in your warehouse that you put on the product. And in that case, you can simply scan that barcode in the license plate fields. But you don't have to. By clicking Next, the system opens the unique grading rules for these products. And those are the grading rules that have been set up for the product group this product belongs to. And you can see the image again. You can see specific grade instructions that have been set up. And you can grade this product by answering a few questions. The first question is the most bad situation where the product has a very visible damage. If I say that's not the case, there's another question which is slightly different that says, does the product have slight damages? And if I say no, the last question or the third question is, does only have the packaging damages? And in this case, I'm going to say yes. And the system now automatically, based on your rules, grades this product. And in this case, the product is a B grade product and has a disposition type that we call restock as new, meaning that you can put it back to stock and pack it again and then ship it again for a new customer. But this is all based on the grading rules that you have set up in Return Bird yourself. Finally, I can link this product, which is a B grade product for restock, to a container. And I can select an existing container that has already products with the same grades. If not, I can create a container myself, of course. But in this case, I'm going to select the Ref 666 and confirm that this product has been received and graded. And now you go back to the initial screen where you see that you have added one product because you have received and graded it. You can now scan another product that you find in the box or select another product if you don't have a barcode on it. But of course, when there's nothing more in your box, you can complete this return by saying I'm done. And then the system takes you to this final screen where it shows an overview of everything that is relevant for this return. It shows that I expected one product on this return, and I can also see that I did receive one, meaning that the status is received and has a status green because the expected quantity is equal to the received quantity. And of course, there can be a deviation where you expected one, received 0, or where you expected one, received 2. And the system will show you then the reconciliation effects. But in this case, everything is okay, and I can press done. The system finally asks me if I'm sure, and if yes, I just click yes. And now this return has been fully received and graded, and automatically in Return Bird, this return is now being set to status settlement requested, meaning that you can refund the customer for this return. So this is the first part of using Return Dock for the receiving process in your warehouse. And if you now want to see the products that you have received on your container, you can go to Storage, you select View Containers, and here you have an overview of all your containers in your warehouse. And by clicking the Ref 666, I can click Assets, and here I'll find the assets that we just received on this container. And you can see that there's assets from other returns as well. So with this option, you can receive and grade products to a container. And finally, when you want to restock all these products into your warehouse, or when you want to send this container to an external recycling vendor or whatsoever, whatever you like to do, you go to outbound, you go to ship container, you select the container that you like to ship out, the system shows you what's in it, and by clicking ship, the system automatically deducts these assets from Return Dock, and you can then do whatever you need to do with these products in your warehouse management system or in any other option. So this is a very basic way how you can use Return Dock in your warehouse for receiving and grading, for managing containers and for shipping containers. Thank you for your attention.